So we're back at the gym, trying to get some gains, do some gym vlogs. Cause yeah, your boy still goes to the gym on the regular. Just don't film anymore, but maybe now I'll start filming it. All right, let's get it. Rows there, some back rows. Now we're gonna try to do some chest. Hope we get some chest in there.